You need to check this out. An embodiment of grace and cultural richness, the Kollapuri Nath is a hidden gem that has adorned the faces of Maharashtrian women for centuries. Woven into the fabric of Maharashtrian tradition, the Kollapuri Nath is a symbol of grace and cultural richness. Today, let's unravel the mystique surrounding this unique nose ring that has adorned the faces of Maharashtrian women for centuries. Crafted with precision and adorned with intricate detailing, the Kollapuri Nath is a testament to the skilled hands that bring it to life. What sets the Kollapuri Nath apart is its diversity. From the bold and majestic Kollapuri Saaj Nath to the delicate and intricate Thushi Nath, each style tells a story of tradition and individuality. Did you know that the Nath is not just a piece of jewelry, but a symbol of a woman's marital status? What sets the Kollapuri Nath apart is its diversity. From the bold and majestic, it adds a touch of tradition to my modern life. The allure of the Kollapuri Nath extends beyond weddings. Whether worn during festivals, cultural events, or as a daily adornment, it remains an integral part of Maharashtrian identity. What sets the Kollapuri Nath apart is its diversity. From the bold and majestic, it crafted from gold, adorned with pearls, and featuring intricate designs, the Kollapuri Nath showcases the artisan's dedication to preserving the cultural heritage of Kollapur. Discover the unseen elegance, embrace the cultural significance. Experience the timeless beauty of the Kollapuri Nath, where tradition meets sophistication. Visit MG Jewelers today.